Well, exciting day, special day, driving the first time Porsche Formula E car. Yeah, memorable. Very satisfied. Obviously, a lot of new parameters, a lot of new things to learn, but the car ran faultlessly. Now we can start working. Exciting, very exciting day for us. First rollout with the Porsche Formula E car, and it went well.
Yeah, no, special day for the team. We're looking forward to today. First time we get to run our Formula E car. Everybody was a little bit nervous, but we've been pretty well prepared, and we ticked a lot of boxes with a lot of checks which needed to be done today. So that was a big day for everybody. Yeah. Today, we went through the whole plan like planned. You hardly ever get to do that with the first day running a new car, so everybody's really happy. No, it was a big day. Everybody was very nervous, but we're all looking forward to running the car first time. Big day for everybody and really successful day for us.
Yeah, obviously very excited. Today is rollout day. Car will run for the first time, so let's get cracking. Yeah, I'm actually quite happy with how everything ran today. We ticked a lot of boxes on the functionality side, of course. When you have the car rolling out for the first time, there are a lot of things that are not yet quite right, so we have to tune everything. We take a bit of homework with us, but overall it was a very, very good day. Yeah, first step is secure the reliability of the car, and second step is get the most out of it in terms of performance. And let's put a third step on top, that is get the team into the mode of going racing. Very excited. Today is rollout day. Car will run for the first time, so let's get cracking.
Special day, driving the first time Porsche Formula E car. Yeah, memorable. Obviously, a lot of new parameters, a lot of new things to learn, but the car ran faultlessly. Now we can start working.
Everybody was a little bit nervous, but we've been pretty well prepared, and we ticked a lot of boxes with a lot of checks which needed to be done. And then it's test by test, start to get some performance in the car and countdown for the first race in December.